Hello and welcome. This is Sensible Singing with Allison Taylor and some nature awareness together. So I want to invite you to find your connection to the planet, whether you're sitting or standing. Just notice the parts of you that are in contact with the earth, with the ground. Feeling your feet on the floor, feeling your butt on the chair, and the chair coming up to meet you, the ground coming up to support you, and allowing yourself to yield or settle a little bit into that support. And notice how your breath is moving you. Any other sensations you're aware of in yourself. So we locate ourselves in our physical being. And then take a moment to notice the sounds around you. I'm outside today, so I can hear human and non-human sounds in nature. I'm aware of the birds. I'm aware of the sounds of traffic on the busy street. You can just look around your space. If that feels good to you, let your eyes receive the space around you. We're going to trying on a particular quality or characteristic from the environment around us and taking that into our physical selves to explore the physical supports, the environmental supports around us that human or non-human nature has to offer us. So take another moment to be with your senses. You may be with the soundscape on my end or the sounds you can hear around you. And take a couple of moments to see what sound or sight or smell calls to you. Which is most present for you? For me, it's a bird that I can hear just above me. I don't know if you can hear it too, but its call is short and close together. So notice the quality of the sound or sight, smell, sensation that you're with. And begin to see if there's a gesture or a movement in response. So you might mirror that sound. My bird has moved on, so I'll find a new sound. For me, I can hear the dried maple keys on the pavement. So my gesture is this. And just notice what it's like to make this gesture. See if you can make it your own dance. Let it travel through your whole body and take a few moments to try that on. And when you feel complete, gradually allow that gesture to come to rest, coming back to relative stillness. And notice how you feel in yourself after that dance with your environment. There's a new bird back on my end. And notice as you around you, take in visually your space. Has anything shifted in how you're receiving your environment after that brief dance? There's so many ways to connect with nature. And in being with nature, we can cultivate a capacity for fitness, energy, resilience, just by being with nature, engaging in this way through our senses. We can cultivate a connection in ourselves and with each other with all of our senses. Thanks for joining me today.